There is nothing more comforting than a nice cup of tea. But when preparing the tea, it is extremely important to make sure that the tea kettle is safe to use. The safest and chemical-free tea kettle on the market is a BPA Free kettle. In this video, we've compiled a list of the top 5 best BPA Free tea kettles. So let's get started. Number 5. Sotia Tetsubin Japanese Tea Kettle. For those looking for a more traditional stovetop teapot, this is the choice for you. The Sotia Tetsubin Japanese Tea Kettle is made from cast iron and has a fully enameled interior. This stovetop tea kettle has a capacity of 1.2 liters but is said to function best when filled to 960 milliliters. The Sotia Tetsubin Japanese Tea Kettle has dimensions of 7.7 inches x 7.7 inches x 4.5 inches, making it one of our smaller options and the best choice for a crowded kitchen with little to no storage space. This BPA-free tea kettle comes with a 30-day return period, which gives each buyer time to test out the product to ensure that it is the right pick for them and their preferences. Some of the additional features that are included with the Sotia Tetsubin Japanese Tea Kettle are its fold-down handle, which adds to the simple storage process, as well as the cherry blossom pattern and the tea strainer. However, the exterior paint chips easily, revealing a black pot. Number 4. KitchenAid KEK1222SX 1.25-liter electric kettle. Next on our list, we have the KitchenAid KEK1222SX. While it looks more like the traditional stovetop model, the KitchenAid KEK1222SX is actually an electric kettle. With the capacity of 1.25 liters and the dimensions of 8.9 inches x 7 inches x 10.4 inches, this BPA-free tea kettle is sure to fit comfortably in any kitchen, even if there is minimal storage space. The KitchenAid KEK1222SX 1.25-liter electric kettle is made from stainless steel but also has a silicone handle to make it easier to pour a cup after heating. This model comes with a 1-year replacement warranty, which ensures customer satisfaction and product reliability. Some additional features included with the KitchenAid KEK1222SX 1.25-liter electric kettle are a swivel base for easy heating and removal as well as a removable lid and limescale filter. Moreover, there is an LED on and off switch with auto shutoff function. However, this model is less rust resistant as some of its competitors, and, therefore, it requires proper maintenance. Number 3. Cuisinart CPK17P1. Our premium pick is the Cuisinart CPK17P1. Another excellent electric kettle option, the Cuisinart CPK17P1, is made completely from stainless steel, which is ideal for stain prevention and an even heating process. With the capacity of 1.7 liters, the Cuisinart CPK17P1 has the dimensions of 8.2 inches x 9.8 inches x 12 inches, making it a breeze to store. This BPA-free kettle comes with a 3-year warranty. Therefore, it's a great choice for anyone who is looking for a tea kettle that is durable and long-lasting. Next, the CPK17P1 has a swivel base, which helps to make removal and refilling process easier. Number 2. Culinary Obsession Electric Kettle. As our best value pick, we have the Culinary Obsession Electric Kettle. A polished electric kettle, this BPA-free model is made from stainless steel as well as glass. The glass carafe adds an interesting design touch as you can see the water as it heats up. This product has dimensions of 9.2 inches x 9.2 inches x 5.5 inches and the capacity of 1.8 liters, making for a medium-sized electric tea maker. The Culinary Obsession Electric Kettle comes with a 30-day return period, which is ideal for those customers who want to ensure that they love their purchase before owning it permanently. Moreover, there is an automatic shutoff function, which also adds convenience as well as safety because it prevents the kettle from overheating and causing other damages. Other features accompanying the Culinary Obsession Electric Kettle are a long cord and a 360-degree rotational body. However, you should be extra cautious when pouring because its glass body gets really hot. Number 1. Willow and Everett Teapot. At the top of our list, as our editor's choice, we have the Willow and Everett Whistling Tea Kettle. Very sleek stovetop tea kettle, the Willow and Everett Whistling Tea Kettle also comes with a whistling feature, which is ideal for knowing when the tea is ready. With a capacity of 2.75 QT, this tea kettle has a perfect size for someone who is looking to constantly be making a large amount of tea for multiple people. However, you can't pass the maximum fill line if you want to avoid spills. So, the maximum capacity is slightly lower than advertised. On the other hand, this is an excellent size for everyday use. The Willow and Everett whistling tea kettle has a stainless steel body as well as a silicone handle, which ensures that the tea kettle will heat up quickly but also will be safe to handle when pouring the water. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this unbiased review. And please don't forget to subscribe us to get the news of upcoming reviews. Stay tuned.